Have you ever experienced the dreaded issue of a backed up septic tank? It can be a messy and unpleasant situation. But don't worry, in this video, we'll guide you through the steps to take when your septic tank backs up. The first thing you need to do when you realize your septic tank is backed up is to identify the problem. Look out for signs such as toilets not flushing properly, gurgling noises from drains, or sewage odors in your yard. By recognizing these signs, you can take quick action. While there are some DIY methods you can try to address a backed-up septic tank, it's often best to call a professional. Septic tank issues can be complex, and a professional plumber or septic system expert will have the necessary knowledge and equipment to handle the situation safely and effectively. Until the problem is resolved, it's crucial to minimize water usage in your house. This includes avoiding flushing toilets, using sinks, or running the dishwasher or laundry machine. Conserving water can prevent further backup and overflowing of your septic tank. In some cases, the backup might be caused by an external blockage. Check the area around your septic tank for any visible obstructions, such as tree roots or debris. Clearing these blockages can help alleviate the problem and prevent future backups. Once your septic tank is back to normal, it's essential to take preventive measures to avoid future backups. Regularly pumping your septic tank, practicing proper waste disposal, and being mindful of what goes down the drains can all contribute to a healthy septic system. Dealing with a backed-up septic tank can be stressful, but by following these steps, you can address the issue effectively. Remember to identify the problem, call a professional if necessary, conserve water, clear exterior blockages, and take preventive measures. With proper care, your septic system will stay in good working condition.